Welcome, my dear friend. You are here, in this moment. Be still. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Inhale slowly and exhale gently. Feel yourself settle into your seat. Feel the air on your skin, the rhythm of your breath, the quiet beating of your heart. Now begin to imagine yourself fully aware of the immense power that resides within you. Do you feel it? That gentle stir in your chest, that quiet whisper in your mind? It says, you are more than what you see in the mirror. This voice is your true self, the God within, gently urging you to awaken. It calls you to remember who you are, the creator of your world, the master of your destiny. Tonight, we begin a sacred journey inward. A journey not of escape, but of discovery. The discovery that the only being truly worthy of your undivided attention is you. Because when you focus on yourself, you do not ignore the world, you transform it. Let us begin with a truth so many forget. The outer world is a mirror. Every person, every circumstance, every joy and every pain, they are reflections of the state of your inner world. This is not metaphor, it is law. When you waste your precious time focusing outward, on the actions of others, on news, on opinions, you are chasing shadows. You are reacting to reflections, forgetting the source of light within. So now, turn inward. Turn to the place where all creation begins. Feel your awareness drawing deeper inside. The kingdom of heaven is within you. The power to create is not out there. It is here, in your imagination. Some may say, but isn't focusing on myself selfish? To that I say, there is no greater act of love than to awaken to your true nature. For when you elevate your state, you elevate the world. Breathe in and breathe out. Let us reflect on how we spend our time. How much of it is given to worry, to gossip, to fear and regret? Every second spent dwelling on what is beyond your control is time stolen from your sacred creative power. Your imagination is the workshop of God. It is your divine tool. Your mind is the fertile soil. Every thought is a seed. Now ask yourself, what are you planting? Imagine now that you are a craftsman. Would you waste your time critiquing others? Would you fret over their opinions or output? Of course not. You would focus on your own work. You would return, again and again, to your creation. So too with your life. Your life is your masterpiece. Your consciousness is your tool. Your imagination is the blueprint. Breathe in again and let go of all that is not serving you. Let go of distraction, of noise, of the world's pull. Now ask yourself, how do I begin? The answer is simple. It begins with a choice, a shift in awareness. Begin by noticing your thoughts. Watch them with compassion. When they drift to the external world, to doubt, to regret, gently guide them back to you, back to this moment. This practice is the seed of transformation. Feel now the power of your inner world. It is vast, it is unlimited, it is yours. And now you begin to see your outer world is nothing more than a reflection of your inner state. And if you want to change your world, you must tend to your inner garden, with love, with faith, with attention. This is not ego. This is not self-indulgence. This is reverence. This is creation. To focus on yourself is to know God. To return again and again to your inner world is to return to the source of all that is. And your desires, oh, your desires are not foolish. They are divine impulses, seeds planted by the higher self, waiting to be nurtured. So water them now, not with worry, not with doubt, but with faith, with feeling. Visualize the life you long for. See it, feel it, not in the future, not someday. Now live from the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Know this: time is your most precious currency. Each moment is a gift, an opportunity to return to yourself. When you focus outward on judgment, on complaint, on control, you are rejecting that gift. But when you turn inward, you honor it. You say, I see the power within me, and I choose to use it. This is gratitude. And yes, life calls on you to act, to serve, to care for others. But hear this: when you act from alignment, from connection with your higher self, your work becomes sacred. Your relationships become divine. You become an extension of love itself. This is what it means to live a meaningful life. This is the secret to fulfillment. Now, bring your attention deeper. Focus, not on outcomes, not on what is missing, but on the presence of your desire within you. It lives in you. It breathes with you. Let yourself feel it as done. This is not pretend. This is creation. Can you live from the feeling of your desire realized, even when the world says otherwise? Can you hold to that inner knowing regardless of the external noise? This is the practice. This is your power. Every day, choose again. Every day, return. And now, let us go even deeper. In the stillness of your being, begin to see yourself as the one you wish to be. Feel the calm, the confidence, the joy. Feel yourself whole, complete. Know this is not a dream. This is who you are. Let your mind rest here. Let it be filled with this knowing. And tonight, as you lie down to sleep, return to this state. Let your final thoughts be of the life you are creating. See it, feel it, and fall asleep as though it were true. For it is, and when you wake, carry it with you. Walk with it, speak from it, think from it. This is the practice of living in the end. And when the outer world begins to shift, when blessings appear, when life reflects the beauty of your inner garden, do not be surprised. Do not doubt. This is the law. Persist, not with effort, but with peace. You are the operant power, and you are never alone. You walk with the God within you. You carry the divine flame. Now breathe in once more, and exhale slowly. Gently return to your body. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Feel the power that now flows through you. You have remembered. You have returned. Carry this stillness with you into the waking world. And remember, whenever you are lost, come home to yourself. Focus on yourself. Stop wasting your time. Create from within and become who you were always meant to be. You are loved, you are powerful, you are divine. Good night, and God bless you.